it will boil softly. So that's what it is. With anything and everything you have, in any way, you can grow mushrooms. Mushroom growing at home in our normal routine, this is how you can do it. Much love to you. We are washing our hands with the disinfectant. So, send it away. Oh! Still warm. Still warm. It is still warm. So this is how our substrate looks like. Gwempa oli gundi. So your brain spawn. Brain spawn. Now you know brain spawn. It is still warm. Ooh, look at this. Very nice. Very nice mycelium. What out of ground. They are still warm. They are still warm. So the substrate is banana leaves mixed with cotton husks. It's what we are seeding or spawning. The process of putting in spawn is called spawning. So it's what we are doing. And so you start with a layer of grain spawn. You put substrate, put another layer, put substrate, another layer, and then the last one should be the spawn. So, yeah, this is how it looks like now. And by the way, there was still some water. There was still some water, and yeah, being able to. It is still not yet full. This is the success of the substrate we've been making. So everything is going on well. You can see this one colonized. This one is banana leaves. Look at these ones here. They do not have lids. We put polythene bags. Here we did not have cotton wool. We put toilet paper. Look at these. All these, they are doing well. So this is how we are, and this is how it is. Things are moving on well. Colonization is going on. And for today, for the substrate where we have used banana leaves mixed with cotton husks. So these are the blocks we've gotten. We've gotten 4 buckets. We've gotten 4 buckets. I would like to talk about these buckets. This is wrong. These are buckets that we made when we had just started, and we put very big holes. It is very wrong. You are supposed to put very small holes, as you can see this. Much love to you.